Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 14 as previous yesterday we discussed, and today we will discuss part 2. This is part 2. Dear student, so yesterday we discussed about the how to draw the circle. Clear, student? Now in this video we will discuss exercise 14.2 from question number 2. From question number 2 we will start, students. Abhi question number 2 it is given, construct a line segment of length 5.6 cm using ruler and compass. You have to use 5.6 cm using ruler and compass. Clear, student? You have to draw the 5.6 cm using ruler and compass. So what you will do, student? First you will draw a random line. First you will draw a random line. देखिए. First you will draw the random line. ठीक है ना? अब you can give any name of this line. ठीक है ना? This is like AB. ठीक. अब next is given 5.6 cm ना. Yesterday I explained कि if you have to use your compass and ruler, तो what you will do? अब जैसे देखो 5.6 is given, तो you will stretch your compass till 5.6. Here I am going to stretch 5.6 and also in your copy you will stretch. Clear, student? 5.6. तो 5.6 you will see, student. It's about like that. 5.6. तो here this is your point. ठीक है? अब 5.6 you have to stretch. So this is your 5.6. Clear, student? So this is about our 5.6. Here you will write down 5.6 cm. ठीक है ना, student? So what is the conclusion? First you draw a line segment AB. Clear? Now you have to use your ruler and compass. You have to use your ruler and compass. ठीक है ना? तो you will stretch your compass till 5.6 and you will put your pointer here and make an arc. ठीक है ना? 5.6 you will. अब now come to the next question. देखिए, तो next question is given, question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is given, students. Construct AB of length 7.8 cm. तो देखो, first you will draw AB of length 7.8 cm. ठीक है ना? Question number 3rd, AB of length 7.8 cm. AB. तो देखिए 7.8 cm AB is given. देखिए 7.8 from here here. ठीक है ना? This is about 7.8 cm. अब now it is given from this cut of AC of length 4.7 cm. तो देखो this is AB 7.8. ठीक? अब what is given? Cut of AC of length 4.7 cm. AC of length 4.7 cm में student. AC of length 4.7. So you know that you will stretch your compass till 4.7. तो everyone stretch your compass till 4.7. ठीक है ना? 4.7. तो here I stretch compass till 4.7. देखिए. This is our 4.7. Okay, student? So this is our 4.7. So here you will write down 4.7. ठीक है ना? 4.7 and total length is what? Total length is 7.8. Up you have to measure what is given from this cut AC of length 4.7. This is what? This is your C. अब देखो AC is 4.7 student ना, because I cut it. अब you have to measure BC. You have to measure BC. तो देखो simply you know that is 7.8 in total और 4.7 is AC. So what remains? 8 minus 7 1, 7 minus 4 1. यानी it will come 3.1 cm. And also when you will going to measure, it will come BC equal to 3.1 Clear student? Clear everyone? First you will draw the line of 7.8 centimeter. Then you will measure with your compass and stretch your compass till 4.7. You will make an arc and the remaining measurement you will measure with the ruler. Clear student? So this is our third question. And see carefully, otherwise you will not be able to understand. ठीक है ना? Because this is practical. Now come on question number 4. Question number 4. देखिए question number 4 is given student. Given AB equal to 3.9 centimeter. देखिए AB is equal to 3.9 centimeter. ठीक? Construct PQ such that length of PQ is twice that AB. ठीक है ना? Length of PQ is twice of AB. You have to construct this. So first AB equal to 3.9 centimeter is given. So first we will draw AB equal to 3.9 centimeter. AB equal to 3.9 centimeter. देखिए AB equal to 3.9 centimeter like that. ठीक है ना? This is little bit long. AB equal to 3.9 centimeter. Clear student? This is our AB. Up next is given construct PQ such that length of PQ is twice of AB. Clear student? देखिए. We draw the PQ which is twice of AB. अब you know that AB is what? AB is 3.9 and twice of AB मतलब student twice of AB. So twice of AB student 2 multiplied by 3.9. So it will come what? 2 9 by 18. 2 3 या 6 plus 1 7. Clear student? So this is our 7.8 centimeter. 1 by 2 student. Okay students, so we were discussing about AB. Now in question number 4 it is given AB equal to 3.9 centimeter and you have to draw PQ which is twice of AB. Clear student? अब you know that very well twice of AB means student twice of AB means 2 multiplied by AB. Clear student? ठीक है, तो 2 multiplied by AB यानी if you will multiply by 2 into 3.9 it will come what? It will come 7.8. ठीक है ना? It means simply you have to draw a line segment of 7.8 centimeter. ठीक है ना? तो देखो 7.8 centimeter you have to write draw. तो 7.8 देखिए from here to here. So this is our 7.8 centimeter. Clear student? So this is 7.8 centimeter. ठीक है ना? What is the name of this? This is PQ. ठीक है? तो देखो, it is given, line is given P, X and Q. ठीक है ना? अब you will measure PQ and what PQ is coming, you will write down. तो देखो, we know that the value of PQ is twice of AB. Twice of AB. अब AB is what? AB is 3.9. तो 2 multiplied by 3.9 will come 7.8 centimeter. ठीक है ना? तो देखो in your book it is given PX and XQ. ठीक है ना? तो when you will measure, it should become 7.8 because this is the twice of AB. Clear everyone? ठीक है. चलिए come on question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Given question number 5, what is given student? It is given AB equal to 7.3 centimeter and CD equal to 3.4 centimeter. ठीक है? AB equal to 7.3. तो first we will draw 7.3. 7.3. 7.3. So this is what? This is our AB. AB is 7.3. Second is given CD is 3.4. CD is 3.4. ठीक है ना? तो this is your CD. CD CD. CD is what? 3.4. Clear student? AB is given and CD is given. Next is given, construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to the difference between the length of AB and CD. देखो, it is given, you have to write down, you have to draw, construct a line segment XY, यानी you have to construct line segment XY which is difference of AB and CD. ठीक है ना? You have to construct a line which is the difference of AB and CD. ठीक है students? So here how you will do? देखिए, so you know that what is the difference student? AB equal to 7.3 centimeter और CD equal to 3.4 centimeter. ठीक है ना? You know that 13 minus 4 9 and 6 minus 3 3. ठीक है ना? So this will come 3.9 centimeter. यानी we have to construct the line segment having 3.9 centimeter. Clear everyone? अब देखिए what you have to do. 3.9 you have to construct. तो देखिए here I will draw randomly any line. Any line I will draw. ठीक है स्टूडेंट? Randomly I select the line L. ठीक? This is the line segment. ठीक? अब you know that कि you have to construct 3.9 centimeter. Clear? And you have to use protractor and compass and ruler. तो देखो here I will measure and also you will measure 3.7. Clear everyone? 3.7 you have to measure ना? तो 3.7 you will measure. Mark a point from 0 and 3.7. तो 3.7 is coming. 3.9 sorry 3.9. तो 3.9. देखो one pointer should be on 0 and another pointer will be on 3.9. ठीक है? So this is our 3.9. So let us assume this is our xy. So this is our x. Let us assume this is our x. So from x we have to mark 3.9. So 3.9 you have to mark now. Be careful. Use your compass like that. ठीक है ना? So this is our what? This is our 3.9. Clear student? So this is x and this is y. Or this is what? This is 3.9 centimeter. Clear everyone? So again I am going to summarize. First you know that this is given 7.3 AB, CD is given 3.4. Again we have to draw XY which is the difference of AB and CD. Now you know that the difference of AB and CD will come 7.3 and 3.4 minus it will come 3.9. Now we have to construct. So randomly I select a line which is L. ठीक है ना? अब 3.5 तो I choose one point X because we have to draw line segment of XY. ठीक है ना? X I choose and 3.9 I have to draw ना. तो from X I choose the 3.9 with the help of ruler. ठीक है ना? Stretch your compass till 3.9. When you stretch, तो one pointer you will place on X and another you will take R. ठीक है ना? It will come 3.9. Clear everyone? So this is about question number 5. This is 3.9. ठीक है? चलिए come on next question. This is question number exercise 14.3. 14.3. अब देखिए 14.3 what is given student? Draw line segment PQ without measuring PQ. तो देखो line segment PQ without measuring. तो जैसे here I am drawing a line segment. First I will draw a line PQ. ठीक है ना? Any length you can draw. I am giving name AB. अब the next thing is given. You don't have to measure. You don't have to measure, but you have to draw the correctly. अब how you will do? You will use your compass. अब देखो ध्यान से. You will use your compass. देखिए. One pointer should be on A. ठीक. One pointer should be on A and second pointer should be on देखो B. ठीक है ना? तो you will stretch your compass like that. अब what you will do? Here randomly you will select a line. Randomly you will select a line. You don't take out the length of this line. ठीक है ना? जैसे here randomly I select a line. Clear students? Now you can see कि we stretch our compass of measure of this, ठीक है ना। तो वन पॉइंटर, जैसे गिव नेम L and this is our line segment, ठीक है ना। तो वन गिव नेम दिस P, any name you can give, ठीक है ना। अब now one pointer should be on P and another pointer from another pointer you will draw an R, देखो like that, ठीक है। तो this is our what, you can give any other name, this is P, this is Q। तो देखो without measuring you can construct, ठीक है ना। अब when you measure AB and PQ the length should be same because we measure with the help of compass, clear everyone। so this is our question number 1, ठीक है ना। Now come to the next question. Give some line segment AB whose length you do not know. Construct PQ such that length of PQ is twice that of AB। अब देखो कैसे करेंगे, देखो ध्यान से। जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज आल्सो वेरी इजी स्टूडेंट। देखो गिव सम लाइन सेगमेंट AB। AB is given, one line segment AB is given, so I don't know about the length of this, here randomly I am drawing, this is given AB, ठीक है ना। चलो दिस इज आवर लाइन AB, क्लियर। अब इट इज गिवन whose length you don't know, construct PQ such that length of PQ is twice that of AB। यानी you have to construct PQ, you have to construct PQ which is twice of AB, ठीक है ना। you have to construct PQ which is twice of AB, clear student। तो how you will construct, देखो again we will use the same formula। जैसे first we will draw the random line, first we will draw a random line, देखो first we will draw a random line students, clear। now give name, अब देखिए again we will measure with the help of compass, we will measure with the help of compass AB because length we don't know, तो देखो ठीक है ना, like that we will measure। अब mark point C है, ठीक है ना। अब you have to draw twice, यानी first you will draw ऐसे, this is our first, so this is equal to this one ना, but you have to draw the twice again you will take an arrow, again you will take an arrow from this point, so this will come one minute student, देखिए from here you will take one minute from here, देखो in copy it is very easy to make but this is on blackboard ना, this is our second arc, clear everyone able to see ना। here I am going to put dark, देखो this is our arc, ठीक है second arc। तो देखो AB the length of AB we don't know, the first this is arc मान लो CD, this is CD, so this is equal to AB but we have to construct PQ which is twice of AB, यानी again you have to draw another arc, ठीक है ना। अब now CD and you can give name and you can देखो increase this length, ठीक है ना। तो CD you can give name P। now अब you know that sorry this is PQ, you can take PQ, PQ। अब देखो you can see student carefully कि this PQ, this line PQ should be the twice of AB, this line PQ should be the twice of AB because P to D this is AB and D to Q this is again AB, it means PQ is the twice of AB, ठीक है ना। and in diagram you can also see देखो AB is like that and PQ is this one, this is twice of what AB, ठीक है ना। चलिए तो दिस इज आवर 14.3। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 14.4। देखिए व्हाट इज गिवन, ड्रा लाइन सेगमेंट AB, मार्क एनी पॉइंट M ऑन इट, थ्रू M ड्रा परपेंडिकुलर टू AB। देखो परपेंडिकुलर टू AB, अब जैसे परपेंडिकुलर कैसे करते हैं बेटा, देखो ध्यान से। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन, ड्रा लाइन सेगमेंट AB. तो फर्स्ट we will draw the line segment AB. First we will draw the line